What is up, guys? Brittech here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install software update iOS 16.0.3. So let's get into it. Go ahead and open up your settings, and you want to scroll down to General and select it, and then you're going to go to Software Update. Okay, so iOS 16.0.3. And this update is 948.2 megabytes. So it says this update provides bug fixes and important security updates for your iPhone, including the following. Incoming call and app notifications may be delayed or not delivered on iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max. Also, low microphone volume can occur during CarPlay phone calls on iPhone 14 models. And then it says camera may be slow to launch or switch between modes on iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max. So guys, it really seems like this update is targeting the iPhone 14 Pro specifically and the Pro Max. So if you don't have one of those phones, you might be safe to go ahead and skip this update. But then it also says that mail crashes on launch after receiving a malformed email. Now, if you need more info before you want to proceed, you can also click the link below and go to Apple support and read up on more info. All right, guys, so now we're going to download. So select download and then enter your passcode. And this may take a while because it is over 900 megabytes. But I don't see it going past 20 minutes. Make sure that if your phone is not at least 50% charged, you have it on the charger, or you won't be able to do this anyway. But yeah, guys, I'm going to let this run, and then once it finishes, I will be back. All right, so now we are ready for install. So once again, if you don't have more than 50% battery, go ahead and hook your phone up to the charger. And then we're going to go to the bottom and select install. Now, once we begin the install, it is going to take your phone through a series of reboots while it is doing the software update. And after that, you should see the home screen with the iOS 16.0.3 has been installed notification. Okay, guys, and then that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.